Guy. It's the daily drive in Colorado, driving up from Denver into Colorado Springs. We're hoping to leave early enough to avoid some of this weather. Didn't quite make it. We will avoid the worst of it. Hope we get through to Colorado Springs before they shut the freeway down.
It's snowing outside with a blizzard in the car.
News Radio 852. Jerry Bell is on the road right now in Denver. Jerry has the very latest. Jerry, what's up?
And there's a big, huge blizzard
really loading up. Looks like
right
a lot
now.
of people leaving work early to try to get home before the storm really intensifies. In the last hour or so, conditions have gone a little bit downhill. Starting to see slush on the roadway, and many times
really bad
during the
blizzard.
lane markers.